Punta naman tayo sa laglag bala, bukas maleta. Sige, mamaya na yung terminal. Laglag bala, uh, pumuputok-putok to. Although, hindi naman lahat talaga ako naniniwala, I myself, because I've been there, meaning pumunta ako sa airport ng Cebu, which is for me commendable, Cebu Airport, International Airport. Actually, it was just less than a week ago. Nakita ko yung proseso nila at na-explain sa akin ng GM nila doon bakit hindi magkakaroon ng laglag bala doon. But anyhow, usapan natin yung laglag bala o tanim bala, etc. Ano ang ginagawa ng OTS? Although napag-usapan na ito before here at pag-uusapan natin ulit para talagang maging klaro na hindi na talaga maulit. OTS, saan OTS dito? Okay, what are the systems in place you have to ensure that laglag bala o tanim bala, whatever it is that they call, will never happen again?
Actually, sir, in the first place, there's no laglag bala. Yes, that is an assurance from no less than the secretary.
Okay.
And then second, systems in place, it's really operational. We have very transparent procedures in the conduct of our screening, sir. If there are complaints now that are, post everywhere, they are using it, the social media platform. So we backtracked it already from the time they alighted from the vehicle, sending them to airport, until the time they will pass through this final security screening checkpoint. So we have a very transparent operations. Aside from many CCTVs placed by MIAA, and of course guarantee the protection of our people and the protection of the passengers. So there are several CCTV directed to the inspection table. And then aside from that, with the addition of the NNIC, they have also other CCTVs placed in this area, the whole screening area for that matter, Your Honor, sir. So in the event that monitoring saw something suspicious, because in the monitoring dictates that is a suspected ammunition or prohibited item, in security prohibited item, they will capture that in the monitoring X-ray, sir, and then they will tag that bag subject that bag to bag inspection. Sir, maybe you have shown you have shown already how we conduct the bag inspection. We make it to a point that the hands of those personnel conducting inspection should show them to the people or to the one subjected for inspection. Then they will place the gloves and then they will conduct inspection. So you can see, sir, the placement of this bala. There's no point or there's no instances that you can really put this bala as alleged to their belongings. The real fact is that people, really, especially Filipinos, as we speak, maybe there are again reports of interception brought by these passengers. But you know, sir, all the time, if you don't want these things, you are interrupted because of this, then you can just post something, claiming that this item is put inside your bag intentionally by the one who is screening your bag. But as I've said, sir, we deny based on our transparent operations from the time that person subjected for screening pass until the time that this prohibited item is turned over to ABSI Group as a repository station, sir.
Sige, sir.
Yes, sir.
Meron akong nasagap na balita. Back in 2016, merong experiment ang OTS na kapag may nakitang isang bala,
Yes, sir.
confiscate lang yung bala and then let the passenger go.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We do.
Is that a policy or is that a scheme?
Actually, sir, in the part of the screening, this security screening officers, we just turn over it to the aviation security group, and it's the disposition of the security group to evaluate the situation. They profile the subject, person, and it's now up to them, sir, what will happen to the person. But
So you let the
in-
PNP decide.
yes, sir. In general, sir, isa, dalawa, depende po doon sa, go, sir. So
In
walang
general, nililet go ninyo.
yes, sir. Si group na si sasagot doon.
Okay,
Yes,
si
sir.
Colonel Cesar
Si Cesar,
Lumuez.
sir. Yes, sir. Thank you,
So
sir.
Cesar Lumuez, kasi yung iba anting-anting, o yung bang paswerte, pangtaboy ng malas, ng aswang, kaya siguro meron silang mga bala sa bag nila, sa purse nila, nakakalimutan nila, pupunta ako sa airport, hindi na nakuha. So pag may nakikitang ganun, anong desisyon nyo? Kung
Yes,
ikaw
sir.
mo isa lang. Maliban na lang kung isang magazine, ibang usapan yun, talagang
Yeah.
dapat ikulong.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Police Colonel Cesar Lumuez, the chief of the NCRFC group. Sir, you are correct, sir, that Filipinos believe in amulet.
Mhm. Okay.
Every day, sir, to tell you, passengers carry with them either slug or a part of the ammunition,
Mhm.
or their either one round.
Mhm.
So what we do there, sir, is we profile the person,
Okay.
especially if this is not a threat to civil aviation, because that's our mandate.
Okay.
And then, of course, we balance security of the airport and,
Okay.
of course, the passenger experience of passengers. Yung hindi po, sir, sila maabala. So if it did naman, sir, if he's not a threat to civil aviation, we confiscate it, sir.
Okay. So, marami namang insidente na nakunan nyo ng bala yung isang pasahero at nakita nyo na profile nyo na harmless naman talaga to, hindi naman to terorista at naniniwala sa anting-anting. So, kinukumpiska nyo yung bala at pinalalagyan nyo na rin.
Yes, sir. Almost.
Marami na kayo ganong insidente nangyari.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So, bakit ito sa mga recent na mga insidente? Ano nangyari at bakit mga hindi pinakulan hanggang sa nagkaka-problema? Na sumabog pa social media.
Yes.
Kayo sa check-in counter na mga reminders. Huwag yung nakalagay lang dyan, yung siguro sa screen na malaki. Ikaw ba ang nag-impake ng iyong bagahe? What if mag-post kayo sa check-in counter na mga reminders? Huwag yung nakalagay lang dyan, yung siguro sa screen na malaki. Ikaw ba ang nag-impake ng iyong bagahe? Alam mo ba ang laman ng mga bagahe mo? Number 3, sigurado ka ba na pag yan dumaan sa X-ray, wala sila makikita? Kailan ba huli mong inimpake yung gamit mo, etc. Reminder lang ba? Para yung mga nag-check-in, habang check-in sila, nakikita nila, uy, teka muna, baka nag-target shooting ako nung last week. Baka may bala pa rito. Inspection niya muna, tapon na niya yung bala ko. Bawal palang anting-anting, tapon na niya. Magkaroon ba ng mga reminder in Tagalog?
Yes, sir. We've done that before, sir, na may reminder
Ano nangyari ngayon? Ba't wala na? Sa check-in
we
counter,
will check again the
wala.
periphery of the
Wala.
airport will make signages again, sir.
Gumawa kayo ng signage.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Doon sa mismong check-in counter para doon pa lamang makapaghanda na sila.
Yes, sir. We'll do that, sir.
Di ba? Alam niyo
Yes,
ngayon,
sir.
di ba? Ikaw
Yes,
ba
sir.
nag-impake nito? Kailan ka ba
Yes, sir.
huling nakita mo yung bag mo? Kailan mo ba huling ginamit ito? Kailan ka ba huling biyahe? Mga ganun lang ba? Yung
Yes,
mga
sir.
importante na 1 to 6 lang, 1 to 5
We'll post new signages, sir.
sa mga check-in counter.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
One yan. Pangalawa, bukas maleta. Recently, merong nag-post sa social media na binuksan doon kanyang maleta, binuksan kanyang bagahe at sinecond inspection pa siya. Hindi natin may yun, OTS? Sige.
Yes. Sir, we conducted an immediate investigation on that, and they asked for support from us.
Mhm.
We did the CCTV viewing, and we provided them with a copy of the video footage, sir.
Okay.
Probably Pal can.
Philippine Airlines? Okay. Sige, ano ba nangyari doon? Inano siya, she has to undergo a second inspection. Marami ng mga imbestiga. Philippine Airlines, what happened to it?
Good afternoon, Mr. Chairman. Mr. Chairman, ang polisiya po namin, kung meron po kaming nare-receive na reports about pilferage or na-open daw ang kanilang baggage, ang immediate po namin ginagawa is number one, an
Tingnan mo na,
investigation.
no. Mali, sorry. Mamaya na yung bukas balita. Yung yung sa OTS to, yung sa social media, mamaya na muna yung alisin muna. Yung muna, yung kanyang bag binuksan at pagkatapos bukas, mamaya na muna binuksan yung kanyang bag and she has to undergo a second inspection at meron daw mga investigation, meron mga tinatanong-tanong sa kanya. Na-post ito sa sa social media. April 6. OTS. Olvido Lucero, yun, random check took place on April 6. Airport staff member carried her belongings on the way to examiner's area. Airport did not explain to her the purpose of random check.
Yes, sir. Unfortunately, sir, we acknowledge na nagkaroon ng communication gap between the one conducting the secondary screening procedures. We failed to, the screener failed to explain why that person undergoes such. It's because it's dictated by the random screening based on the alarm provided by the walkthrough metal detector machine.
Why do you call it random? Hindi mo na kailangan mag-random kasi the X-ray itself should be able to determine whether yung bag na dumaan doon sa machine na yun ay merong illegal o pinagbabawal o suspicious na gamit. So ba't ka pa mag-random?
Yes, sir. Yung time na yan, sir, nag-alarm yung tao. May mga kasing I cannot explain the technical in technical terms. Dahil may mga tawag nito particles
Okay.
that might affect trigger the alarm.
Mhm.
That's the primary reason, sir.
Okay.
So that this passenger was subjected to this ETD procedure.
ATD. What?
ETD, sir, explosive detection, trace detection procedure. Kaya
Explosive.
nagkaroon.
Okay.
Yes,
Ginagawa
sir.
sa ibang bansa.
Yes, sir.
Tapos may machine, tapos
Opo.
ganun, isuswab-swab yung
Yes, sir.
gamit
Opo.
and then ilalagay dun sa machine para malaman kung may trace ba doon ng
Yes, sir.
powder, chemicals, what have you, drugs. Tama?
Yes, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
ganun ang nangyari.
Opo, sir. Ganun
Okay.
po nangyari.
Base doon sa social media, parang dinala tayo sa kwarto, hindi ba?
Wala pong kwarto doon, sir. Because parang ganito lang po yun, open area po yun. Kasi kailangan visible din sa tao. At saka mga taong ibang pasahero na nandun, actually nakaupo din doon yung ibang security officers like the PNP. Nandun din sa malapit doon sa machine, this
Okay.
ETD machine.
But she was stopped from videoing. Binibidyoan niya yung procedure and then pinigilan siya. Ba't siya pipigilan? Mag-video, karapatan niya i-video para masiguro na tama yung procedure ng pag-search ng kanyang bagahe.
Yes, sir. That incident is really unfortunate, as I've said, that we have to look into why the reason behind bakit ipinagbawal niya mag-video. In the fact that he was the one, she was the one subjected for inspection. But in general, sir, may I express this, that getting a video in this security screening is really, may risk rin, sir. There is a risk.
There's a risk?
Yes, there's a risk on giving video, getting video on this security screening.
What is the risk?
Yes, sir.
Of someone trying to video the way his or her luggage being inspected? What's the risk?
Ito, sir, yung siguro nandun sa isip ng tao na nag-i-screen, na naggumagawa ng ETD procedures. Kasi, sir,
Kasi kung wala siyang tinatago, ba't siya matakot na bibidyoan yung procedure na ginagawa niya sa pag-inspect
at
sa
the back of her mind, probably because the lady conducting the ETD is a lady, sir.
So what if she's a lady or he's a
Yes, sir.
gentleman? It doesn't matter. May discrimination pala. Pag lady, wag nag-inspect, wag natin i-videotape. Pag lalaki, okay lang, i-videotape natin, pwede.
Hindi naman, sir. Hindi naman. But
Paano po?
these are the things that we have to consider, sir, in enhancing the passenger experience.
Ngayon,
Yung
sabi
which-
ko sa Wabing, naintindihan
Yes,
ko po yun,
sir.
ginagawa sa ibang bansa yun. But please do not stop the owner of the luggage, hand-on,
videotape.
carry-on luggage, na i-videotape yung proseso.
Yes, the
Wala akong
procedure
nakitang
itself.
illegal doon.
Yes, sir. We'll do it.
Okay? From
Yes,
now
sir.
on.
Yes, sir.
And then secondly, ang gusto ko na kapag nagbukas kayo ng gamit at dahil nag-red alarm doon sa x-ray, dapat merong police na available agad. Huwag bubuksan hanggat wala doon yung police na nag-observe.
Yes, sir.
Sa mga
Nandun naman.
ABSICOM, kasi train ng ABSICOM niya, Aviation Security Command, train sila sa mga ganong klase proseso sa
Yes, sir.
pag-search. Kasi ang nangyayari, ito yung screening area, yung ABSICOM, kung saan layo pa, ibang building, dapat merong, kung wala man lang office malapit sa screening area, at least merong on duty dyan, hanggat bukas yung airport, may on duty dyan na taga-ABSICOM, nakaupo lang, palit-palitan silang shift, para kung kailangan presence niya, andun agad siya, mag-observe siya to ensure na properly conducted yung searching, at kapag may nakita, yung police na mismo ang sasalo ng bala o kung ano pa man yung kontrabando. Tama?
Yeah.
Huwag na yung hanap-hanapin pa, calling the attention of Sargento Poncio Pilato, come to the screening area. Wala nang ganun-ganun para
Yes.
mapabilis yung proseso.
In fairness sa ABSI Group, sir, mayroon sila.
Meron
Yes,
sa
sir. Kasi,
screening area mismo.
yes. From the time that there are suspicious prohibited item identified by X-ray operator, their attention is already called by the supervisors. And during the inspection,
No, dapat nandun sila sa screening area.
nandun,
Hindi
sir.
sila kailang patawagan ng cellphone. Meron?
Meron po. Meron po. Dito sa Naya, meron. At in other outlying areas nationwide.
Wala ako napapansin. Ilang beses
Yeah.
ako nagbiyahe. Recently, I went to Cebu. Wala akong na-notice na ABSICOM.
Sir,
Yung mga taga-OTS nandun, pero wala akong na-notice.
yes, sir. Sir, for info, sir, we have 2 personnel stationed there at final
Sir,
checkpoint, sir.
kapupunta ko lang ng Cebu. Wala po ako nakita. Ikaw naman, sir.
For NAIA, sir, I can speak, sir, for NAIA, sir.
Well, naiyan dinaanan ko. Saan ba ako
Yes, sir.
dadaan? Alam ba naman ko mag-private
But,
jet?
yes, sir. Anyway, sir, we will...
Sir, naiya dinaanan ko papuntang Cebu. Okay? Wala
Yes, sir.
ako
Yes, sir.
nakita
We will.
naka-standby na ABSICOM.
Yes,
sa
sir, we will
screening
ensure
area.
that we will post police officers there, sir.
You make sure, tapos dapat may signage, nakalagay kunyari area, maski na maliit lang na area. Tapos may upuan siya, may desk siya dyan. Tapos nakalagay PNP Assistance Desk. Para pagandahin mo, para hindi matakot yung mga pasahero. PNP Assistance Desk. Na pag may problema, agad-agad, police, kakawin na, halika na rito. O wag mo na buksan yung gamit. Mag-observe ka. Yun
Yes,
yun.
sir, we will.
Dumaan ako sa NAIA, sasabihin mo pa meron. Sabi ko sa'yo, wala. Marunong ka pa sa akin. Akong pasahero. Di ba? So,
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
okay. Pangalawa, Mia, siguro ito, sa baggage handling, dapat imbis maglagay kayo ng advertisement ng DOTR kung gaano kagaling ang DOTR na hindi naman ganun kagaling, in-advertise nyo, dapat i-advertise nyo sa TV ninyo kung paano yung proseso ng pag-handle ng baggage. Dapat nandun sa TV screen. Nag-gets nyo? Diba? Makikita na, parating na galing sa, kunya sa aeroplano, pababa, nandiyan na yung hila-hila, yung lalagyan ng mga bagahe. And then makikita na mahuli na sa CCTV kung paano yung na-handle yung mga gamit na hindi lang tinatapon niya, binabagsak. Kitang-kita, may mga CCTV. So bakit hindi tayo maglagay ng ganun sa NAIA? Although I know, sa ibang airport sa Cebu meron. Sa NAIA meron, kaya lang maliit. Kasi I arrived from Cebu. Pero ang pinakamalaking screen dyan, advertisement, sabi ng theater, me and myself, we're very good. Puro papuri lang sa sarili ninyo. Hindi. Hindi namin kailangan na purihin yung sarili nyo. Alam na namin lahat kung sino kayo sa DOTR. Ang gusto namin malaman kung paano ba na-handle yung mga luggage namin. Is that Mia? Maglagay ka ng malalaking TV screen.
Sir, we will recommend with the new operator at NAIA, sir. We have seen that before. We've done that before also. Na pag nasa baggage claim ka, habang binababa yung bagahe mo, nakikita mo sa TV.
Exactly. Yan ang
Yes,
gusto
sir.
ko.
Meron dati na yan, sir.
Dati, bakit tinanggal?
We'll check and coordinate with NNIC kung pwedeng i-reinstitute yun.
Yes.
In fact, we have reviewed yung mga CCTV footage, sir. Meron na rin tayong camera, pero kami lang yung nakakakita.
Kayo lang. Kayo lang.
We will make
Pwede
that,
kayo
we
magpakipan.
will recommend that to be open to the public na kahit from the
Carousel, alam mo,
from-
nag-wait ka, doon ka
Yes,
sa carousel, baba ka sa aeroplano, tapos kung saan ka daan hanggang sa
Yes, sir.
makarating ka sa may carousel, hintay mo yung bagay mo. May kita mo paano ina-unload from the airplane, yung bagay mo, itatakbo yan, papunta na sa loob ng airport, tapos ngayon, nilalagay sa carousel, kitang-kita mo kasi may malaking screen doon, nakatingin kayong lahat. Di ba?
Yes,
Sa
sir.
ngayon kasi,
Yes,
ang
sir.
malaking screen doon, lahat puro papogi sa DOTR.
Yes, sir. We will coordinate with the new operator, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sumasahan natin niya. Very good.